Hi, fifth graders. So, don't watch this movie until you've gotten through step 5 on your element superhero project, because you have to do a lot of thinking about your element and your superhero before you start drawing your superhero. So if you're not on step 5, go back and work your way up to it. Now, for those of you who are on step 5, this is going to be a tutorial for how to use HeroMachine and generate the pictures of your superhero. So you're going to find the link that you need on your Romanet page. So you're going to head back to the Romanet page, our topic section, and when you scroll down, you'll find a link that says HeroMachine website. Once you click on that, you will find a link to a page that looks like this. You might have to click a button that says load before you get here, but this is where it gets super fun, a little bit complicated, but I know you're going to figure it out. First thing you want to do is you want to pick your pose for your superhero. I like this one, so I'm going to pick that, and just by clicking on it, I get this pose loading options. So I'm going to choose complete. It's going to do some magic. It's going to load a whole bunch of things over here. It takes a few minutes. But then you're going to have lots and lots of options available to you for clothes, for colors, for accessories, all sorts of things. So now what you're going to do is you're just going to go through and you are going to dress up your superhero. You have tons of possibilities. Let's give this one some fancy shaggy hair. And if you have arrow buttons where you can go back and forth to change the hair, oh, maybe flat top. Yeah, that's what I'm feeling. Then you can go to down here and start clicking on things to change. So, for instance, if you are done with the hair, now you can click eyebrows. Give our superhero some eyebrows. Now let's do some eyes. Give them some eyes, and you can keep on going. You can see you have a whole face, nose, mouth, ears, skin. There's some interesting options for skin. You can give them very interesting textures. How about some lizard skin? But keep in mind that you don't want to give them random things unless they relate to your element. Always keep your element in mind. Always think about what characteristics enhance the idea you're trying to get across about your element. Now you can go to things like shirt. Let's give this person a shirt. How about that shirt? Let's give them an undershirt as well. A nice undershirt. And then, oh, she definitely needs some pants. Let's give her some pants. Okay, now I feel better. All right, now you can go through and you can make these things colored. Just play around with this. You'll figure it out. There's some nice red pants. Let's give purple on top. Maybe a different color purple up on the top. And let's give her a jacket as well. Let's see. Coat. There we go. Coat. And let's make that coat light blue. I like it. So you can see possibilities are endless. All of these things, you can add leggings, pants. You can put on the right foot, the left foot. You can give them crazy wings. There we go. You can give them an aura. Whoa. Some of these might be good for some of your elements. You can give them a tail. That suits your creature. And then finally, sometimes kids get excited about this. You can give them a companion. Lots of little animals or big animals that they can choose from to have as a companion. But again, I don't want you to pick something random. Like you're like, oh, that phoenix is super cool. I'm going to give her a phoenix. If it doesn't relate to your element, I recommend that you don't use it. Have fun with this. You are going to have lots and lots of options. When you are done, when you have something that you like, redo the name. So let's give this one's name Aura. That's her name. I like that. But now, the only way to save this is by doing Command Control Shift 4 all at the same time. Take a partial screenshot of this. Now, that will be on your desktop. And what I recommend that you do, you find it on your laptop's desktop. You might have to slide this window over and find it. It should be up in this area up here. And airdrop it to your iPad. That way you will be able to put it into your poster. Good luck!